Should've brought my 4x4. Smoke, I stepped out for a smoke. We been at it all night long, at each other's throats. Lived a lot of life, and my biggest mistake